Unlocking your iPhone XR, Fingerprint Sensor Guide.
Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to use the fingerprint sensor on your iPhone XR. Apple has designed this feature to enhance your device's security, making it personal and harder to breach. The fingerprint sensor, which is a form of biometric security, uses your unique fingerprint to unlock your device.
Does iPhone XR have a fingerprint sensor?
Before we begin, it's important to note that the iPhone XR does not actually have a fingerprint sensor. This model uses Face ID as the primary form of biometric security instead. Face ID is a facial recognition system, which was introduced with the iPhone X and has been used in every new iPhone model since.
How to use Face ID on iPhone XR?
Although the iPhone XR doesn't have a fingerprint sensor, we can guide you through setting up Face ID, which provides a similar level of security. 1. Open Settings on your iPhone XR. 2. Scroll down and tap on Face ID and passcode. 3. Enter your passcode if prompted. 4. Tap on Set up Face ID, or Reset Face ID if you've set it up before and wish to start anew. 5. Follow the on-screen instructions. You'll need to position your face inside the frame and move your head slowly in a circle. This is to capture multiple angles of your face. 6. After the first scan, you'll need to do a second one to complete the process. 7. Once done, Face ID is all set up. To check if it's working, lock your iPhone and then try unlocking it just by looking at the device. While the iPhone XR does not feature a fingerprint sensor, you can still enjoy the convenience and security of biometric access through Face ID. It's quick and easy to set up, and once you've done it, you can unlock your phone, authenticate purchases, and even autofill passwords, all with just a glance. We hope this video has been helpful. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.